guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but I'm here today to show you the high frequency wand and to also show you how to get started. First, you have to clean your hair and your scalp, and this is the changeable thongs. They have the pointed one that's for around the edges, and this is the comb that you could go through the scalp and the hair. And the next one is for this is for, these pieces is for hair and your face. So it will give you the flexibility you need to address the issues that you're addressing. And yeah, it have the dial from 0 to 9 where you could adjust the speed, and this is how you change out the thongs. And when you're going to apply it to your scalp, first test it on your forearm hands to see the intensity and what you can tolerate on your scalp. So that will give you the best clear understanding first if you test it on your hands, so you can see what frequency will work best for you, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and up. So you will put your finger on the tube and then put it on your scalp and then remove your finger so you can feel the penetration of the neon gas. So this is it. I'm just doing around outer perimeter first, and then I work myself around the entire outer outline of the hair. And yeah, moving along, you will also see me doing a demonstration using the comb. So those are the two essential ones that's used for the hair. How I learned to use this tool, I worked alongside Dr. Perny James. She's a trichologist, where I was trained under her how to use this tool. So this is just a brief demonstration on how to go through your hair using this tool. Your scalp must be dry with no chemical or product on your hair, and this is how I clean the tool after every use. Make sure you clean it thoroughly before you place it back into the box, just to keep it clean from any dust and any bacteria and things that have came over your scalp. So I hope this was interesting for you and informative. So you guys have a great day and see you again. And this is Robin, and click the link to be notified when new videos are uploaded on this channel. Have a great day.